Hello everybody, welcome back to Quick Guide. I'm back with yet another tutorial video, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can apply for mortgage on US Bank online. For that you need to open a browser. You can use any browser you want. For now I'm going to open Google Chrome. After you open our browser, search www.usbank.com on your search bar. This way you'll directly land on US Bank's website. Then scroll down and there you'll see the option of mortgage. Tap on it. After that, select start your application. If you already have US Bank online account, then tap on sign in and start. If not, tap on start as guest. Now enter your email address that you want to link to your account and retype the email address to confirm it. Set a password. Be sure to create a strong password by including 8 or more characters, an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, special character, and a number. When you're done, tap on create account. Read the terms and condition, and if you agree to it, tap on agree. Select whether you're purchasing a new property or refinancing your mortgage. You will now need to fill in the application. Enter your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, phone number, your marital status, and your current address. After you're done, tap on continue. After you tap on it, this way you'll be able to apply for mortgage on US Bank online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.